flounder, peppers, onion. I don't feel like cutting an onion, but yes, I do have some onion. And garlic. Ooh, let's put lots of garlic. I have a small feeling that I burned my food. My legs, my goodness. I just got so distracted with, oh boy. I'm going right to the Dollar Tree and get me one of these these things, because I only got one, and I love these. But I surely don't want to drop this glass on my feet or nothing like that. Mm-mm. Good grief. Mm. Mm. Jingles, 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 boy. Woo! Mm. This is basically flounder fish that I completely forgot about. Forgot about my coffee. Well, I'm gonna go in my room. Sit at the computer now. I got more vegetables than I do fish. Look at that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. And in case you're wondering, no, there are no sides with this. What you see in the plate, in the bowl, that's the meal. I'm so thankful that I don't need all that other stuff. But I am about to feed my eyes because I'm going to sit down and I soon leave. So my bowl will be made, and then the pot can go into the sink. Mm. My feet are just killing me. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Oh, come on now. Oh, somebody is delaying tariffs. We don't need you on my phone. No, bye. We don't need you on my phone. I tell you one thing. I'm not gonna complain because I'm grateful for a lot of things, and I'm just gonna continue praying and hope for the best. But I hope everybody who, ooh, boys and girls, well, you know I took this straight out the oven. You don't expect me to take a bite out of crime now, do you? Yes, I do. Mm, ooh, ooh, mm. Ooh, this is good. Oh, you know what would be nice for this? Some type of cracker. Ooh, hot. Mm, mm. Now, I don't know what I'm actually tasting because I know it's in the herbal seasoning, the no salt seasoning, but there's a seasoning that's really pronounced, really, really pronounced. But oh wow, yes, hello,
I'm ready.
I'm coming. Bye bye. Yes. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh Lord. Mm, mm. Well, that's it.